welcome to a new video. This is Freefire Squad Play.
Like a Hellcat.
Let's do this.
Fought so hard, this is my yard. I won't be giving up at the start. Seen the struggles like, oh my god, still I'm standing here.
Took my chances, play my cards. Now me and my team go far. Won't give up, I'd rather starve. Baby, hold on, hold on.
Fighting through the pressure now, I made it, won't stop. Hating is whatever, cause I made it to the top. When you got the pressure now, and see what you got. You hating is whatever, now we got this on high.
Yeah. Ain't no sexo well lit. Get it headshot, you can complete with it. En tu mente como una locura. Te pegan la bala like booyah. I live in your status from critical. Bamba la chamba like clear it up. Me meto en tu mente, lo hice. Quemando todo lo que existe.
Tô no jogo, então avisa lá. Pronto, preparado, eu vim pra ganhar. Deita os caras, eu vou amassar. Mostra pra eles como é que se faz. No Freefire nós tá demais. Ao nível que nós tá, vão querer reportar. A bala vai cantar.
I'm on fire, baby, burn it, burn it. MVP like no one knows it, knows it. I'm too good for you, I'm too good for you. It's mass. Me, baby, I'm a G, my nice girl, I can take a show, like whoa. Man, days of the mess, but they, I'ma get ya break, cause it's two-way out. Sure you can't win, cause I'm too good and I'm on my grind, out. 샤베리 나를 걸어주고 또 신나치 차치라.
My friendship straight, you are regular. My money looks straight, you are regular.
I grind on way to my 2K when I yoko me, I get my bag.
In your head, don't better, bro. I'd crucial my competitors.
Passei a cal, vou lutear. Meu squad tá pronto pra rushar. Os inimigos não aguentam, só rajada violenta. Então experimenta, mas segura a sequência. Tô de nível 40.
Feel the pressure, trap is coming, coming.
You better watch out.
I'm on fire, baby, burn it, burn it.
Feel it,
MVP like no one knows it, knows it. I'm too good for you, I'm too good for you. Feel the pressure, trap is coming, coming. I'm on fire, baby, burn it, burn it. MVP like no one knows it, knows it. I'm too good for you, I'm too good for you.
I want to say a big thank you to all those who watched my video and been supporting me. Until next time, y'all.